and the Addis Ababa YMCA. Here the letters are carved in the Amharic language. But there is the same symbolic triangle known and active in 83 countries around the world. In the early mornings, the city's poorest children, the Y calls them future citizens, come to school and start the day with an ancient prayer. And Ethiopia's national song of the flag, a paean to liberty and a pledge to serve their country as heroes. A period of silent meditation follows. Which comes in handy sometimes for last-minute homework. They sing a favorite song known to every school child in Ethiopia, a salute to their country, people, and emperor. You have made Ethiopia like honey and milk.